death of a spa party today. All right, so talk about what happened to this little spa that you've had great memories with.
So probably about 4 years ago, life got so hectic that I really had no time to get into the spa with Boy Scouts and everything else. And so it has not been used for about 4 years. And so it just sat. And then COVID, and we didn't get into it. And so a couple weeks ago, I opened it up and asked the boys to clean it out. And I said, open up the access panel. And lo and behold, there were 2 cute little mouse bodies in there. And they were all kind of bleached out.
Oh.
And so who knows how long they've been in there.
Yeah.
And of course, cords and hoses were nibbled. Rats,
yeah, from the park?
Rats over the park, yeah.
Okay.
So, I contacted the spa guy and he said, well, how long have you had it? And he said, it's past its due date. And then he came and he looked at it and he said, nope, not even worth looking at, no charge, walked away. So I said, what do I do with it? He just threw a website at me. He was the most perfunctory spa person I've ever met in my life. So I went and I looked up the website and called them and they said, oh yes, we can come do that. We have a crane lifted over when we first got it in.
Wow. All right, now what is this we have for this funeral dirge?
Oh, we have delicious pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels, petite pumpkin spice cookies, and pumpkin spice granola bark. And to wash it all down, we have Aberlour 16, a very fine Speyside single malt.
All right, and what's it taste like? Let me know.
You know, I'm not the analyzing one. You kind of have to analyze it for yourself. It tastes good. I could get Joshua out here and he could analyze it. Joshua, come here.
Okay. We have some.
Analyze this, buddy.
That's the Aberlour?
Aberlour.
I'm smelling hand sanitizer there.
Oh, wait a minute. Was there a mix-up in the bottle?
No, with the mouth open, I'm getting the hand sanitizer.
That's hilarious.
So very, very clean. So
Very clean. That's a good word if you smell hand sanitizer.
Huh. Not getting much there, but maybe a little smoke. I'm not really impressed with that.
Really?
Okay.
Okay.
So what should we say about the day that we let the spa go?
It's the last day of September. There's something about September 30th that's nagging at my head. Letting the spa go. All the memories down the drain.
Down the drain. I get it.
Particularly.
So we're wrapping up your life here in San Diego in a home you've been in for 27 years.
Yeah.
And when they said the spa was dead, you called me and told me you want to come. Yeah, let's go. We're going to have a funeral
gosh.
for the spa.
The spa removal guys won't know what hit them.
We're here for the funeral of the spa. We're done with the funeral service, done with the eulogy, done with the putting it on a truck, not in the ground. And here we have the leftover space. We have our little people. Oop, they fell over in love with it. Oh, they all went down. All right, one last. Susan, what do you have to say?
It was fun while it lasted.
That's a good ending. So there you have it. The death of a spa, a funeral we had today. We had scotch. We had kind of a eulogy. And then we had the guys come and wrap it up, roll it through the fence. I wore my black hat and my black in honor of the life that spa once served. It's a sad day for the spa, but the house is for sale. We got an offer on it. We're waiting for that to work. It's a good day.